Alright, here we go with the house tour. This is the front gate, which we open and get let in. This is the main street, then where we come out the compound. And this is the garden when we come in. And ta-da! Here's the house. So let's take a look. Take a look at the garden here. It's all overgrown. There's potential here. I think we need to put like a little tea house in the center because during the day the heat gets too much. So you need to be able to get cover from the sun with a nice little tea house structure. I think would be ideal. These are like rooms as well. They used to be the maids' quarters. It's locked here. A little bathroom as well, so this is okay. Yeah, but again, it needs work. There's another room, so there's two rooms here, which used to be the maids' quarters, but you know, can be something else too. So this is the main entrance, which we hardly ever use because we come out, we park the car here. There's the motorbike, for example. We come here, and there's a little pond here. There's fish inside, so they'll eat the mosquito larvae if they happen to plant. And so my sister's taking care of those, and my mom as well. Here we are in the entrance of the house, main dining area. And then here, kitchen on the left. Kitchen's undergone some renovations. My sister's painted the cabinet and stuff. So induction stove heater, microwave, fridge, storage cabinets, things. There's a little pantry here, all other things that are dry. And then there's a toilet here outside, and there's like a Thai kitchen there, which I think there's a big freezer there too to keep like stuff, water filter things here, cups, incense, which is burning and creating a nice vibe in the house. Things here, alcohol, obviously, very important. It's my mom graduating from her university. That on the right there. She's receiving her diploma from the princess, I believe. So, yeah, paintings, boats, awards, things. My sister, caricature from Paris. The pool. Can we open this? Oh god. Like that. Oh, this is open. There you go. Is that not open here? There you go. This opens here, so I think I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna sand down this table right here. It's one of my jobs for when I'm here. It's the pool. It's very green and it needs work. But there's a nice little garden here. This goes upstairs to the terrace there, the balcony terrace. This used to be like a pool bar, but yeah. There's a waterfall. Water comes down here. It's the baby pool here. And then usually you swim laps from this corner to that corner because it's deep as well, and that's deep. And these are kind of nice laps to swim across like that. So yeah, lots of overgrown stuff. There's like a chicken coop in the back, but no chickens because we don't have chickens. Lots of bamboo here and stuff. Things happening. We got these bins. We can use those for compost and worm bins. That's an interesting project that we can also take charge of. Yeah, so we're gonna just move back into the house. Let's see, we'll go just downstairs. We go here this way. Let's go see the basement real quick. So this is the basement, which needs a door, or perhaps like just a curtain, like a bead curtain or something like that. And then here, turn on the lights, 1, 2, 3. There. It's a surfboard, just a bit of storage, so it helps organizing it. It used to be the music room. I used to have like music stuff here, but the drum kit's been sold. And now it's acting as a storage space, which is nice. So, kind of good. And then we go upstairs. This is like the living room area. You can also sit outside, which is kind of nice. Here, a bedroom, obviously. So this is where I just put in my stuff. Here. This is, this is probably where I'm going to stay after the conference is done. And there's just another guest room with one single bed here. Got a nice, good space here. My sister did a lot of renovations. And this is the bathroom. So it's got hot water, because of the electric heater, toilet, essentials. We'll go upstairs. Up the stairs, and this is like the reception area. So I think we can create sort of like a reception area here for administrative purposes and to welcome people in the house, check them in. Yeah, do that. And then this is probably like the co-working space that my sister wants to create. Create a little co-working space here. It needs a bit of organization, but can make that happen. This is my mom's bedroom. Let's just go check that out as well while we're at it. So this is my mom's bedroom. School cabinets here, the bed here. Oh, they put it on this side. Couch. It's very, very dark because all the curtains are closed. Hello. And bathroom, which bathtub here is probably the nicest bathroom of the house, although it's a lot of clutter as well. Shower here, toilet, and yeah, so this is my mom's bedroom. And then we'll go out. Oh, hey, look, that's me. I will take action. Indeed I will. So here we go. Keep that going. Lots of other family pictures here. That's me and my sister when we were younger. Yeah. And then gonna move out. Here, this is my old bedroom basically. It didn't look like this before, but they kind of just use it for storage now as well. So there's lots of toys here. These are toys we can take to Cabo Verde. So lots of Legos, things. Have to sort those out later. Just looking through them a bit. Yeah, the terrace, balcony. There's a pool table here. Check out afterwards what the status is in that here. Little terrace balcony here, so you can do some yoga there and stuff. There's some nice spaces. It might gets quite hot during the day. And that's it. So on this floor, the middle floor, and then downstairs. So let me just go here to the front and close off the tour. So that's about it. So this is the garden. The front gate's there. All overgrown. We're gonna fix some things up here, so that's it. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.